guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to MacahobbyTv, and today we're gonna do some unboxing. So this is a pair of sneakers from Nike, Nike.com. Ano to? Yung Nike ID. Actually, it's called Nike ID back then when I was in grade 4 and high school ganyan. Ngayon it's called Nike for you ba? Hindi ko sure pero something like that. Hindi na Nike ID yung tawag pero gets Nike ID pa rin yung concept. And this is my first purchase of customized Nike sneakers. Yung grade 4 ako, high school, ang hilig ko talagang mag-customize dyan sa Nike ID na yan. Pero di ko naman binibili. And for the first time, pinurchase ko na siya. And I'm hoping na hindi ako ma-disappoint, hoping na tama yung size, walang problema na mangyayari. So this is a pair of Nike Blazers mid 77 na kinustomize ko, and I call this the MacaHobby Sneakers, and later you'll know why I call this MacaHobby Sneakers. So in order ko to, I think more than a month, so parang 2 months din in the making, more than a month ago. Tapos, yun lang siya dumating. And kinakabahan ako. Sana di ako ma-disappoint. Sana tama yung size na hindi women's. And this is the MacaHobby Sneakers. Later you'll know why. This package came from Hong Kong. Nakikita ba? Yeah, it came from Hong Kong. And shipped by UPS, eShop World. Ayun, basta. Ayun guys, check nyo na lang. This is my first Nike ID purchase, and by the way, hindi talaga ako sneaker collector, hindi ako ganun ka sneakerhead. I just enjoy having a decent pair of sneakers. So, ayun, huwag kayo mag-expect from this unboxing, from this little review of mine. So, ayun, let's unbox this. Shit, solid. Ayun guys, I'm not disappointed at all. Sobrang solid. Ayan. Kung paano ko siya pinicture sa utak ko kung anong magiging outcome physically. Habang ini-edit ko, sabi ko, feeling ko ganito yung magiging itsura. Yung kung paano ko siya iniisip magiging, ganun talaga siya dumating. Ayan guys. Ganda. I like the quality. Feeling ko lang yung leather, this type of leather, pagtagal, it would, babakbak siya. Pero all in all, I'm so impressed. Ganda. They got my size and everything. Ito pala yung reason why I call it the MacaHobby Sneakers. This one. MacaHobby. Tapos dito sa kabila, C-Mac. Nung una, iniisip ko, parang medyo tsaka to put C-Mac or MacaHobby, pero naisip ko kasi sayang yung concept of Nike for you if hindi ko lalagyan ng pangalan ko or something that is related to me. Because si Virgil Abloh nga ginawa niya with his Jordan 1 Off-Whites, diba? May nasulat dito. And syempre ako rin, pwede ko rin lagyan ng MacaHobby sa C-Mac. C-Mac. Ayan. Sobrang happy ko guys. Love it. And olive. So ginawa ko siyang black. Tapos gusto ko yung olive kasi it's easy to pair with anything. Kahit anong kulay pwede. Tapos ito black para medyo, ano siya, vintage looking pa din. Tapos yung sa loob, I think that's called the insoles. Insoles ba? Nakalimutan ko ba sa yan? Yung, ito, ginawa ko siyang green. Para unique. Tapos yung lace black, para unique din. And one thing that I appreciate with my purchase is yung box. Solid nung box niya, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo, sulat dito is Nike by Carlo Miguel. And then, this one, ito. Hindi siya yung typical box eh. Nike by you. Solid. Sobrang happy ko talaga. And yung tissue niya, iba rin. Hindi rin siya same with the usual Nike tissue. Hindi na siya Nike ID. It's Nike by you na nga talaga. Okay, so this is my MacaHobby Sneakers. Nike Blazers, mid 77. MacaHobby. C-Mac. What can I say? Love it. Kung paano ko siya in-expect na dadating ganun siya dumating. Yung tongue niya lang nakita ko is hindi siya fully covered nung kita yung foam, and I think that's a bad thing kasi mas maaga siyang mag-deteriorate, mas mabilis ito madudumihan for sure. And kita yung foam niya. Nakuha talaga nila kung paano ko siya dinesign sa website. Ganun ko siya nakuha. Custom made by MacaHobby. C-Mac. And ganda, guys. Super solid. Yung leather lang, parang medyo sayang, dapat di ko na pinili yung ganitong type of leather. I don't know kung anong tawag dito sa leather na to, pero I think this is the type of leather na pag tumagal or matagal mo siyang hindi ginamit, siguro after 5 years or more, siya yung parang nababakbak. Kaya kinakabahan ako doon. Pero huwag muna natin isipin yun, let's not overthink. Ayan, meron din siya yung detail niya dyan. It's a decent pair of sneakers. So, ayan lang, guys. I would rate this a 9 out of 10. Super happy with my purchase. Not disappointed at all. So, ayun. I suggest you get your own pair of Nike by you. Kasi imagine, yung price nito, I think, if customized, mas mataas lang siya ng less than or 2K. Ganun. So, to have your own shoes at that price, sobrang sulit yun. Your own shoes designed by you, customized by you, and pwede pa lagyan ng pangalan nyo, diba? So, solid. Love it. So, I hope you like this video and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Thank you and see you next time. Subscribe kayo sa channel ko.